Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. Let's fix it guys. The first step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy it one by one and paste it. After finishing these two commands, just close up here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK to save changes. Select close, just closed off here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender with advanced security. Click on open it. Select inbound rules and select a new role. Select here port and select next. Select TCP and check my video description for this TCP code. Just copy and paste it. After pasting it, select next. Select next, allow the connection. Select next. Select next and type here rainbow and select finish and just close it off here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes. And after getting reset done, just close it off here. After doing all these steps, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.